How do you promote your low content books? Maybe you create them for your family and friends. We got a great question that I wanted to answer here. Here it is. Well, and background, my name is Jenny. I've published 600 books. I've crossed six figures. I help you to make books profitable. The question is, I currently have 10 notebooks published and I've sold around 40 copies since creating a social media page to promote them. It's been 30 days. Several friends have purchased notebooks as presents and asked if there's a way to include something on the back that tells the recipient how to reorder or find other notebooks. This made me wonder, can I actually include that in my author page URL on the back cover? The answer is yes. You can do it on the inside. You can do it on the very back page. You can do a QR code on the very back page that says, check out our other books. This is an important aspect of promotion, especially if you have a social media page. For me, I am scaling to the $1 million mark with book ads on Amazon. So my book royalties, we just crossed $341,000 in book sales. I'm going to the $1 million mark. And for 99.9% of the books, I'm using Amazon ads only. And part of that reason is I think I can go faster, I can scale faster if I focus on one scaling platform, which is Amazon. If I were to do other social media, it would slow me down because I have a YouTube channel. I love to talk to you here. And thank you for watching this video. So for you, when you have a social media page, it's the perfect thing for you to focus on, to be able to share your author link on your social media too. Put it in the back of your book, create a QR code for social media so you can drive traffic from social media platforms like Pinterest or TikTok or YouTube or Facebook to your Amazon profile. You can have people follow you on Amazon Author Central. And what happens is when you publish a book under your pen name, your followers get emailed like, hey, Jenny published a book, go check it out. So I would encourage you to build up your following on your Amazon Author Central account by grabbing the QR code, and your call to action on social media is like, for more, follow this on Amazon, because then guess what happens? Amazon's doing the heavy lifting for you. Amazon's emailing your buyer every time you put a book out under that pen name, and that is really powerful. I got an email once for one of my books and I was like, this is amazing. I wonder how many other people bought this book because Amazon sent an email. It was during the era where one book made $11,000 in 1 month. It was Empty Line Journal, and the BSR was 1,578. That is the lowest BSR I've ever had on Amazon. That means out of millions and 13 million books that are on Amazon, mine was 1,578. So that's a benchmark that I want to surpass in the future, getting under the $1,500 mark. 1,500 BSR mark, not dollar mark. Pardon me. 1,578 BSR. Drop your questions below about all things self-publishing. It's really important that you believe that books are profitable so you can build more time freedom from the books that you publish. I have a free training coming up. I'll put the link below and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.